How to sign into CapCut using QR code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in into your CapCut account using your QR code. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your CapCut. After you open up your CapCut, you should see the sign in option on the top left. Simply tap on sign in. And after you tap on sign in, you'll be presented with few options. So right here, you can see you can sign in using your QR code, you can sign in using your Facebook, or you can sign in using your Google account. You can also sign in using your TikTok account. As you can see, link to your TikTok account to enjoy more TikTok features. Now for this video, we'll be using QR code. So simply tap on use QR code, and now a QR code will be presented to you. Now, as it says right here, open the CapCut app on your phone and tap on this icon right here, a person icon, and then tap on scan. After you use that to scan this very QR code, your account will automatically get logged in. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you log in into your CapCut using QR code. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.